Hello friends, today we are making paneer methi chaman. It's a semi-gravy dish and it's quite rich in flavor and it's on the spicier side. So take a kadhai, put 2 tablespoon oil, any cooking vegetable oil. I have taken sliced 1 big onion, fry it a bit. Just saute a bit till it's translucent. Then you can add 3 slit green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it. Then add 3 medium sized tomatoes, finely chopped, and fry this till it all gets little mushy. Add a little salt. I add salt at every stage of the gravy. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 handful of kaju, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Fry all these ingredients nicely, say for around 3-4 minutes, and it's done. You can skip the chilies if you don't want too much spice in your gravy and just add chili powder. Now grind this whole thing into a paste, into a fine paste, and keep it ready. In the same kadai, take again 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of jeera and fry it a bit. Then add chopped methi leaves. I have taken half a bunch. Add salt and let it cook. Cover the lid and let it cook. Once it's cooked, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, as methi is little on the bitter side. Instead of using methi, you can use kasturi methi also. Now you add the ground masala into this and nicely mix it. I generally like to use fresh methi, but I think in the hotel they use kasturi methi. So if you are using that, you can use about 3-4 tablespoons of kasturi methi. And then add this paste to it. Let this paste and the methi boil and come to a nice boil. And add water, enough water to make it like a semi-gravy consistency. It should not be very thin, not too thick, because we are going to add paneer to this. So keep that in mind and make it little semi-gravy kind. Now let this boil nicely with the methi. Say around 5 minutes. I'm adding salt at each stage, but you taste and add salt. Now I'm adding grated paneer, which I have just mashed it with my hand, and I'm just adding 250 grams of grated paneer. First I added 200 and then I felt it can take the whole packet, so I added 250 grams of grated paneer to this, and the gravy is almost ready. You don't need to boil this too much after adding the paneer. Just give it say 1 minute or so and switch off the gas. Now add a big blob of butter to this and season it with kasturi methi. And serve it very hot with either naan or kulcha or chapati, and it is a very rich and lovely dish. Everybody should enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe, and please do try and subscribe to my channel.